In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your ID on Airbnb, which is required to book certain stays, build trust with hosts, and keep your account secure. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And on the dashboard, I want you to click your profile icon on the top corner. And on the About Me, click your profile picture, because what will happen is that there is an option that says your identity isn't verified and you need to verify your identity to book or host on Airbnb. This is a golden opportunity for you to fully verify your account using your identification. All I have to do is click the Get Verified and you will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do first is add your government ID. Click the Add an ID here. You need to make sure to upload an existing photo, okay? Or if you want to take a photo with a webcam, you can do that as well, or take a photo with the Airbnb mobile app. It's up to you, okay? This is a matter of preferences. Now, if you want to upload an existing photo, click the Continue button. You need to choose if it's going to be a driver's license, passport, identity card. Okay, we're going to use identity card instead. Click the Continue button. You need to make sure the photos aren't blurry and the front of your identity card clearly shows your face. Okay, upload the front, upload the back. Let's do that right now. Now, after that is you need to take a selfie, because Airbnb will compare the selfie and the idea that you have provided. Okay, so if your device doesn't have a camera, click this link. But if you have, click the Continue button. Now you have an option here. Manual photo review. A member of one of the Airbnb team will match your photos, or automatic photo review. Basically, Airbnb will use a facial recognition to match your photos faster. Click on it, click the Agree and Continue. And as you can see, you need to allow the camera access. And from here, all I have to do is super simple. You make sure to follow the on-screen instructions. And of course, you can always retry if verification fails. Alright? And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can verify your ID on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.